gird up my soul when I am not this hunchback that you see. I sleep beneath the golden hill. You wish to conquer pain, you must learn to serve me well. Cripple here that you clothe and feed is neither stark nor cold. He does not ask for your company, not at the center of the When I am on a pedestal, you did not raise me there. Your laws do not compel me to kneel grotesque and bare. I myself am the pedestal for this ugly hump at which you stay. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn what makes me kind. The crumbs of love that you offer me, they're the crumbs I left behind. Your pain is no credential here, it's just a shadow on my wound. I have begun to long for you, I who have no greed. I have begun to ask for you, I who have no need. You say you've gone away from me, but I can feel you when you do not dress in those rags for me. I know you are not poor, and don't love me quite so fiercely now, when you know you are not sure. It's your turn, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear, flesh that I wear. Tusen Dank.